Looks like our compost arrangements here in the garden are a bit of a mess. Many years ago I set these posts and put this net in between, but the rats eat through it and it's no good, so we're going to a completely different place and doing something decent. And I've not really got an idea about whether it's going to work out or not, because it's all based on my ideas rather than somebody else's. So I'm filming this, and if it doesn't work out, then maybe somebody else can figure something else. What I'm doing is I'm using these slotted concrete posts and setting them in concrete and then forming a concrete slab. I'm just doing the digging and setting the posts. I've cut these 2x2s to the correct length in order to have them as a template. The next step is to mix some concrete. I'll show you all the pictures at once because I'm sure you know how to make good concrete yourself. Setting these posts wasn't easy, and I didn't get it exactly right. You may be able to spot that they're not quite square, plumb and true, which is really what you want, as well as the distances between all the posts exactly the same, so that you later on save work with the planks. Do yourself a favor and recruit a helper so that you make sure that all the posts are square, plumb and true and at the exact correct distance from each other, all the same, say 4 foot or whatever. I didn't do that, so I had to measure all the gaps between the posts and then cut the boards to length. Getting the boards supplied at the correct length from your trusted timber supplier would be a bonus. Also, you can have the boards pressure treated, including the ends, so you don't have to do anything about putting wood preserver on the ends, as I had to do in this case. Right, here you can see the finished structure. I've already started filling one of the segments with compost. It works really well all together. I found that you can take some of the planks out and use them as a ramp, so then it makes it easier to fill lots of grass cuttings, for example, with a wheelbarrow. Altogether, I must say that I'm quite happy with what I've done. The expense is quite considerable if you add it all up, but it's certainly a compost arrangement that I hope will last us through the years. The compost gets very hot when you compact it properly, which you see me doing here. I'll try and post a follow-up video at some point in the future to give further thoughts on how this is constructed. For now, I can wish everybody happy gardening, and thanks for watching.